Hello friends, and welcome to today's video, which is going to be probably the best Temu haul that I've ever done on my channel today. Temu is the go-to destination for practically anything you need at an affordable price from the comfort of your home. And today I'm super excited to show you my latest finds, from affordable women's fashion to great storage solutions for the home. But first, I want to give a big thank you to Temu for sponsoring this video and enabling my Temu shopping addiction. If you're interested in any of my latest finds, make sure you download the Temu app via the link in the description box below, making sure to use my special discount code DKW8689 to claim your 100 Australian dollars a coupon bundle, including free shipping, free returns for up to 90 days, and start saving with me at Temu with up to 90% off savings. So let's open these packages and let me show you why I chose them. Which package shall I open first? Let's start with this one because we're heading into winter, as you know, in Australia. And so I was looking for some comfortable, affordable, but stylish ladies wear. And of course, I had to show them to you. Oh my goodness. This is a solid sweater dress and it looks exactly like it does in the picture on the website. I'll insert a picture there so you can see it. This is so beautiful, so warm, snuggly, and comfortable looking. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to try these on. It's going to be 31 degrees here in Melbourne today, Celsius for you people watching from the US. And that is very hot for us. So I'm going to have to turn the air conditioning on and actually try it on for you because I can't believe how good this sweater dress looks. And I absolutely love the color. I'm all for neutral colors this year. Oh my goodness, this is a fabulous start. What a fabulous saving. Let me have a look. How much did I pay for this? This is a solid sweater dress, casual high neck, long sleeve midi dress. $33.49. You cannot beat the value of this dress. What a bargain. Next, yes, I did buy a lot of women's wear and a lot of warm women's wear. Oh my goodness, here is another find. You know how chunky jumpers, cable knit jumpers are completely the rage this year? Here is an example of one. This is a beautiful neutral color. It is a skirt and a jumper piece. This is the solid casual two-piece set mock neck cable knit sweater maxi skirts outfit. $46.99. You cannot beat two pieces for under $50. Oh, and this looks so warm. It's not itchy at all. It's soft, super soft, and I love this color. And let me tell you what size I bought this. So this dress, I bought it in an extra large, and the two-piece set is a large. This looks exactly like the photos on the website. This is exciting. Oh, leisure wear. Yes, I did buy leisure wear because we are heading into winter, as I said, and I'm all for getting ready for that cold weather, but also looking a little bit pulled together, working from home and just being super comfortable. And I love the look of this because it's a cute little pink polka dot two-piece set. This was under $25. I will put everything that I've purchased on the side of the screen there, but also link everything down below. So if you're interested, you can go and have a look at it. These pants have got side pockets, a tie valve at the waist, and they're cuffed at the ankles. And the top is a gorgeous V-neck top with cuffed sleeves as well. This is so cute and it's so soft. Oh my goodness, I sure picked well. This is a beautiful cobalt blue jumper. Again, so soft. V-neck cobalt blue jumper. Now, you know cobalt blue is going to be a really popular color this year. And I absolutely love this color. It is super soft, really snuggly. Can you picture this over neutral slacks or even black slacks, maybe a white t-shirt or a white shirt underneath? You could wear definitely this to work. Put on a crisp white shirt with the beautiful V-neck jumper over the white shirt. You can wear it over white jeans, or if you're working, over black slacks. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. And look at the cuffing on the bottom and the cuffing on the sleeves. I have to try these on because you will not believe how beautiful these look. Now, I think I have done my research quite well because I did look at all the reviews on all these items, and all the reviews said that these were sensational, looked like the pictures, and fit like you'd expect them to fit. This is a beautiful two-piece loungewear top. I love this color. It's like a coffee color, and it's got a beautiful elastic waist. It's very loose fabric, very soft. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so comfortable to snuggle up on the couch and just lie back. The top is a V-neck top. This is so cute, really so cute. I am impressed at the value of these clothes. Not only are they super affordable, but they're really well made and look exactly like what the photos look like. You will be impressed when I try these on for you. And the last item is this beautiful green jumper. I love green jumpers because they tend to bring out the green of my eyes. I know, very vain of me. This is a beautiful boat neck jumper and looks exactly like the photo, and it is so soft and snuggly. Oh, I am loving these items. This is so well made. Can you just picture this with a white shirt underneath, the collar of a white shirt underneath, and winter white jeans or slacks? Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I've got to try it on. I've got to try them on. Bag number 2. I also bought some storage things because we're heading into that time of year where I just want to start incorporating things that will make my life easier and do double duty. And one of the things that I really liked that I grabbed were these. This is a pack of 10 reusable silicone food storage bags. What I love about them is that when you open them, they actually have a flat base so that they can store your food items upright. So if you want to put food in your freezer, these will actually sit upright in the freezer without falling over. Such a great idea for storing food, and they are reusable, so you can just wipe them down or wash them and then reuse them over and over again. And therefore, I'm going to be using less snap-lock bags. This is a turntable organizer. You put your spices in it on the bench top. You put your oils, your salt and pepper. You could use it on your vanity in the bathroom. You could use it in your office to store pencils and odds and ends that you need on your desk. It is so cute and versatile. The next item, these are so good. The reviews were phenomenal. These are the stainless steel leak-proof storage containers with their own individual lids. They're portable and stackable. You can use them for meat, for fruit. If you ever need to go to a picnic, you can put your fruit and cheese cut up already in here, ready to go, and it's sealed and leak-proof. How I intend to use this is not only to store food in the fridge, but also when we go out on picnics, I intend to use one with ice and the other 2 with fruit, and just stack one on top of the ice one and one below it so that it keeps all the food cold for the picnic. And when I'm not doing that, then I can use it in the fridge to store all vegetables that are prepped and ready to go for snacks. Ooh, more clothes. I can't help myself. I love shopping for clothes and finding great bargains. As mentioned, if you like anything that I've shown you, then make sure you check out the description box below and take advantage of the app and the bundle offer of $100. This is a beautiful Henley top design with the buttons at the top that you can leave open or closed depending on how you feel. Can you imagine wearing this with a beautiful chunky scarf over it? Boots or even sneakers? I've got to try these on for you. You will not believe until you actually see them with your own eyes how beautiful these items are today. What else is here? What did I buy? I forgot. It's so easy to just keep adding things to your cart because everything is so affordable. Yes, these are the airtight food storage containers. It comes in a pack of 10 and there are 5 boxes with 5 lids, and they come with these beautiful chalk labels and a white marker so you can write what's inside them. These feel so solid and the snap feels airtight. You can use these in your pantry to store cereal. You can use these to store pasta, flour, nuts, biscuits. Perfect to store anything you want in the pantry. Easy to stack, easy to click close, and they feel really airtight. More clothing items. Oh my goodness. Did I mention, by the way, that this was a large? Next. This is a beautiful dress. This is a solid slant button belted dress. This looks exactly like the picture. It feels so warm and snuggly, and it comes with the matching belt that you could swap out for another if you wanted to, but it looks great also on its own with it. I love the unique design of the slanted buttons across the shoulder. These are fully functioning buttons that you can open and wear open at the collar should you choose to. I love in winter wearing a sweater dress. I just find that they're so comfortable. You just grab a sweater dress like this, put on some boots, black or tan boots, and throw on a coat and you're done and ready to go. This is so cute. And because this has got the gold button features, you even don't need a necklace with it because it's got its own little bit of bling that adds a feature and a little bit of interest to the outfit. So elegant with long sleeves, a maxi length, its own belt. I love the cuff at the wrist. It's not loose, so it's nice and snug. I don't like it when dresses have got a very loose sleeve around the wrist because then it just drapes, and also find that cold air goes up the sleeve whenever you lift your arm. This doesn't have it. It is just super snug, not too tight that it's going to stop the circulation, but just a perfect. I told you that I thought this was going to be probably the biggest Temu haul that I've ever done. Oh, this I love. As soon as I saw this, I just knew I had to buy it. This is a solid knitted crew neck asymmetrical hem dress. You know how this winter the trend is going to be to wear dresses over pants? Well, this is a gorgeous crossover jumper that's a super long at the back. Of my 5'4" frame, this should fall at just below the knee, but it opens crossover so you can wear it over jeans, over pants. It's something that looks a little bit more unique, but on trend for this winter. It's got a round neck and the crossover lapels that open up. So it would also be suitable if you're breastfeeding. I know there's some viewers of mine that are currently breastfeeding and are also going back to work. This would be perfect because it does lift up. You could wear a t-shirt underneath, or you could wear a crop top underneath it to lift everything up, but this would give you access for breastfeeding. And the last box. If you're like me and you have a modern kitchen where the sink is built into your stone benchtop, then you know that you don't have a lot of areas where you can drain your crockery. So I was looking for a dish drying rack. This is the dish drying rack for over the counter in your kitchen. It has so much storage possibilities for your dishes on the top here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. It's got 11 storage compartments for dishes. On this side, it's got hooks that you can drain glasses and cups and mugs on to drain. On the bottom, you can put pots and pans. On the side, you can put cutlery and knives. This would be perfect for anyone with a small apartment that doesn't have drainage built into their sink. A lot of small apartments now are built with the actual sink built into the stone benchtop and just the benchtop on top. I know in my kitchen, I don't have anywhere where I can put dishes to drain. So I end up putting a tea towel on the benchtop and then putting all the dishes there to drain. And then what happens is all the water on the dishes ends up getting absorbed by the tea towel and then dripping on the floor. This solves that problem because it's got its own built-in drainage tray. I hope you've enjoyed this Temu haul. Let me know in the comments below which items caught your attention, and don't forget to download the Temu app to make the most of the $100 coupon bundle. Now, I'm going to insert some footage of all these clothes because I cannot wait to try them on. Thank you for watching. I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous day. Until next time, my friends. Mwah. Bye. So soft and cuddly, and I just put it on over part of the skirt set that I tried on before. This is a winner. This is a gorgeous dress. dress. It is so snugly warm and looks exactly like the photos on the website. I'm wearing it with chunky boots, but you can wear it with sneakers or heels or anything you like. I'm 5'4" and this is the true maxi size. I've currently got it open at the neck, but you could wear it closed as a high neck dress. I love the color of this jumper. I love the fit and the feel of it. It's so snugly warm. Perfect for the cold winter months coming up. Which were your favorite items? Well, set for winter now.